Welcome back to WFMZ, where we continue to bring you updates here every hour on the changing winter storm moving through the area. So far, we've seen a whole batch of moisture move through, first from a cold front moving through the area, but now we're awaiting a secondary low-pressure system that's forming right now along the Georgia coast. That's going to ride up along that front and bring us even more moisture. Radar picture shows, again, a little bit this morning. We saw a little bit of everything. We had rain, we had sleet, and we had a little bit of snow, but temperatures started off above freezing, and that helped melt a lot of everything on the grounds, especially because the ground was warm at this time of year with that fresh blast of warm air that we had recently. So a lot of that melted on the highways, but now we're starting to see it accumulate just a little bit on the secondary roads, which I'm sure Rick will tell you about in just a few minutes. Now we're seeing more light snow across the area, less of that sleet, more of that light snow falling, and it will pick up as we head throughout the day and as that secondary low pressure system starts to pick up in intensity, and we're going to keep you updated on that here. Just a quick check on traffic here with Rick Edwards. He's standing by live in the 69 News Traffic Center, and then more on your forecast.
All right, thanks a lot, Rachel. If you get off the side roads, you should be okay on the major highways. If we look good on 22 here past Shanersville Road, and we want to sneak a peek back here to Airport Road. We just had the report of a crash on Airport Road at the 22. Emergency units responding there. We have a minor crash on 22 right about, well, just past 191 westbound on 22. Now it's behind these trees, and you can see traffic is not backing up, so we're getting by there with no problem in Bethlehem Township. Oakland Road and Hecktown Road, a crash in Bethlehem Township. We have a couple of accidents on St. Peter's Road in Upper Milford, south of Macungie Borough. The crashes are either side of High Stand Road, so be aware of that if you're headed that way. 309. Some accidents, one at Ridgeview in South Whitehall Township, also a crash at Route 309 in Passer Road in Upper Saucon Township. That's north of Coopersburg. To the north, we have big problems through the Pocono region as well. You have a lot of spin-outs and disableds. We have a crash at Barron's Road and near 903 in the Jim Thorpe area. This has an accident with poles and wires down in the roadway. Also in Monroe County, 209 and 33, an overturned truck in that area. To the south in Bucks County, we have 413 closed because of an accident. That's between Bradshaw and Point Pleasant Road. This is in the area of Plumsteadville, well north of Buckingham and Doylestown. Over to Berks County, some crashes. 176 southbound. This is in Robinson Township near mile marker 5. North of the east-west turnpike, and a crash on 222 southbound near Route 568 in Brecknock Township. And Schuylkill County is going to feel it as well. 61, 183, 54, 209. All moving slower than usual with the heavy congestion due to the deteriorating road conditions. That's the way it looks right now. Now let's get more on the forecast. Back to Rachel.
Thanks a lot, Rick. Again, we are seeing some light snow right now invading the region, and we will see this continue to pick up as we head throughout the day, especially between about 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. We could see this really coming down. We're talking about 1 to 2 inches per hour. As far as accumulations are concerned, we're talking about anywhere from 1 to 3 inches around the Philadelphia area, 3 to 6 inches south of the Lehigh Valley, around 6 for the Lehigh Valley, and as you head further up north into the Poconos, anywhere from 12 inches or more. We'll continue to provide you up-to-the-minute updates on the 69 News AccuWeather channel, and we will be back at 69 News at noon with team coverage. Be safe.